In this video, I will show you how to create an overlocked spider stitch. The final effect resembles a spider web. It can be used as an embellishment stitch. It has a raised effect that can be used as a very decorative piece in your embroidery. This stitch can be worked on any number of straight stitches that is even or uneven. While going around the straight stitches, each stitch is wrapped, which gives the final raised effect. I will be using an embroidery needle and contoured thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. Mark your fabric with a circle and a centre dot. Then divide the circle with evenly spaced dots. Bring the needle up on the outside and down at the centre. And repeat with all of your other stitches. Now bring your needle through the centre. I'm using a different colour to show you. And go under the first straight stitch. Now you're going to wrap the needle round the second straight stitch. And move on to the next one. Once again wrapping the needle around. Continue this process, being careful not to pluck the fabric underneath. Once you have finished your weaving, insert the needle under the previous round and tie off. Now you have completed an overlocked spider stitch.